만나자 했던 날이 그 시간 이후로 난 너와 나 생각해봤어. 무슨 일일까? 아니 무슨 말을 할까? 아니 무슨 옷을 입을까? 그렇게
Start your computations.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Maybe.
Alright my friends, so as you can see right here, it's like really empty right now. It used to have some stuff, like it used to have my premium photos, but I decided to put them there. Can't really see it because it's kind of backlit. Oh, there you go. But yeah, now it's empty, and since I got the new BTS album, it does come with a poster. So I was thinking maybe putting this poster here. I don't know, we'll figure it out. I guess I'll just show you guys me putting up the poster. Why am I so zoomed in? Alright, let's do it.
받은 게 많아서 표현을 다 할 수가.
I just finished carving this little print and I'm gonna do a test print on it with some water soluble ink.
Alright my friends, so I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating my wall over here. As you can see, I like have some stuff already, but I'm gonna be taking most of these down and then I'm gonna be adding the little pictures that I printed out using my printer. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I honestly don't know how I'm gonna spread things out, but we're just gonna see what happens. But enjoy this little montage of me trying to figure out what to do, so. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's basically what I'm trying to go for. We're gonna hope that it works out, and yeah, let's just see.
수많은 내 마음 고이 담아 그대에게로 건네면 내 마음 조금 알까요? 어떤 이유로 만나 나와 사랑을 하고 어떤 이유로 내게와 함께 있어준 당신 부디 행복한 날도 살다 지치는 날도 모두 그대의 곁에 내가 있어줄 수 있길 매번의 모든 계절들과 12달의 시간을 너와 숨이 차게 매일.
Alright my friends, so this is what the final thing looks like. It definitely took me a while to like think where everything should go, but honestly I'm not mad at it. I added a bunch of the pictures that I printed out, and then I also decided to add some Polaroids and photo cards and then cup sleeves as well. But yeah, I really like the color scheme. It's honestly all over the place, but you know what? I don't really have an aesthetic. I just really like pastels. So that's what I went for. And you know, I'm not mad at it, but yeah, this is what it ended up looking like. And who knows if I'll keep it this way, but we shall see. And yeah. So I changed it again. Love that for me. Alright my friends, so that wraps up this aesthetic slash productive vlog. I don't know what to call it, but I hope that you guys still enjoyed it nonetheless. I honestly like making this type of content for you guys, so if you guys would like to see more, please do let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, that's pretty much the end. Make sure to follow me on my social media. Y'all know the deal, Instagram, TikTok. But I hope that you all are staying safe, and I love you guys so much. And yeah, I will just see you guys again soon. Alright, bye friends!
왜냐면 너의 색다른 blue 새벽에 떨어져 버린 blue 하늘이 파란색인 you 너에게서 I can see the light